Account for the following. First is acidic character increases from HF to HI. Second is there is large difference between the melting and boiling point of oxygen and sulfur. Third is nitrogen does not form pentahalide. And the second part of the question is draw the structure of the following. And we have given a choice for the question, which is which allotrope of phosphorus is more reactive and why. How the supersonic jet aeroplanes are responsible for the depletion of ozone layer. F2 has lower bond association enthalpy than Cl2 and why. Fourth is which noble gas is used in filling balloons for meteorological observations. And the fifth is complete the equation. So here we have the answers. For the first, due to decrease in bond dissociation enthalpy from HF to HI, there is an increase in acidic character, or we can say that an acidic character is observed which increases, and due to decrease in bond dissociation enthalpy from HF to HI. And the second is oxygen exists in diatomic O2 molecule, while sulfur is polyatomic, which is known as S8. And for the third question, we have an answer like due to non-availability of d orbitals, as there are no d orbital available, that's why. And for structure of ClF3 is this: there is one Cl present in the mid and 3 phosphorus are attached to it. And the second structure, we can see that xenon and 4 iodine are attached to it. Now for the second question, like white phosphorus become because it is less stable due to angular strain. The second answer is nitrogen oxide emitted by supersonic jets are responsible for depletion of ozone layer. Like we have the reaction for it: nitrogen oxide plus O3 gives NO2 plus O2. That's why we can say that depletion of ozone layer. Now for the third is due to small size of F, large inter-electronic repulsion, or we can say that electron repulsion among the lone pairs of fluorine. And the fourth is helium. And complete the following reaction can gives us XeF positive and PF6 negative.